Hey, have you ever wondered how you can write like this type of beautiful codes? Which IDE support this type of font and styles? Actually, this is not an IDE. This is a website where you can make your codes more beautiful and attractive. First, to do this, you go to your editor where you are writing your codes. You select the codes, and this is for computer also. Who are using computer, they also can try it. First, copy your code. After copying, you go to web browser. It can be any Google Chrome, Mozilla, or any web browser. And there you type the addresses kod.so. This what do? We can make our code in a beautiful screenshot. Here, some codes might be written earlier. That one you can replace or remove. That part you can cut. Now whatever commands or codes you have copied, paste it here. After pasting the code, you can select any good background for your code, whatever you want. Otherwise the default one also you can choose, and from here you can choose the theme: dark plus, dark soft, Dracula, GitHub dark. So many are there, you can choose any. I am choosing GitHub dark. And from here language, we can select the language. As I have pasted the Python command, so I will select the language as Python. And remember, here we cannot write code, we can just make a screenshot of our code in a beautiful design. And here text size, whatever size you want. And here font name you can choose. There are different fonts. I am keeping the default one only. And if you want a number line, you can toggle the option. Line height also you can choose. Tab space you can choose. Menu color, if you want, you can enable. That means that orange, yellow and green colors one. Opacity means, you will see when I reduce the opacity, the code will be code background will be little bit blurry type. But if I give 100%, it will be full. And radius we can make it little smaller. And padding is 35 I am choosing. If I want more padding, then I can give more numbers. Suppose I want padding as 40 and 40. And in watermark you can write your website name or any Instagram handle, so that if other will download your codes or share your code with along the code, even your username or the creator's names go there. After creating the command, we can just download the code by pressing download button. Here we can choose the option. There are different options: PNG, JPG, SVG. Take on any option and done. Your code is downloaded. You can see the screenshot by tapping this option. By tapping these options, we can see the code. Just now I have created this command. Now see, it looks so beautiful. Easily we can share with someone else our code, and they will think that our ID is too beautiful. So This is the trick for today. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.